everybody, welcome back to TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. We're going to continue my Spring Fling series of giveaways today with a special giveaway. So you've all seen the Sqhairbands. I think I've done several reviews where I've done some styling with the Sqhairbands. It's absolutely probably my favorite accessory when it comes to wigs. This is such a wig-friendly accessory that I own many of these and enjoy styling with them. So the Sqhairband, in case you're not familiar, is a hinged hairband. Okay, it's kind of like sunglasses or glasses. They fold in, they're hinged. They've got little teeth, like rubbery teeth on the underside. That helps keep the hair in place. It props it up without messing up your style. And the hinges really are super comfortable because they kind of adjust to the head. Normal headbands, normal hairbands, they tend to be a little bit too tight. They don't adjust like these do. I love this product. And those little rubbery teeth and the rubbery arms are so easy on the synthetic wigs. I can style with them in lots of different ways. These are an absolute must in the summertime, whether you go to the beach, whether you spend some time outside, maybe you're gardening or doing some activities. These Sqhairbands keep your hair comfortably away from your face and give you a lot of, allow the breeze to come in and really cool you off. Now I am selling these on my website, www.tazswigcloset.com. Be sure to check out all of the available styles and colors there. So what I am giving away today are two beautiful Sqhairbands. They come in this little pouch. So there's a plain white one that absolutely goes with every color of hair. Beautiful, it goes with all of your spring and summer clothing very nicely. The other one is a cranberry. And this cranberry actually has 5 rows of crystals on the arms. There's lots of ways that you can wear these Sqhairbands. I think you've seen my styling segments where I place these in anywhere from super long styles to very short pixies. One of my favorite ways to wear it is by pulling the hair away from the face. So I kind of put the arms right above the ear and behind, pull back and position the Sqhairbands where I want them. And I could leave it just like that if I wanted. Again, it doesn't smash down your style, it sort of props it up. Pull out a little bit of hair here in the front. Just kind of looks real shaggy and sexy there. Now, if you want to leave the hair around your face in the front, so instead of going from the front, kind of come down from the top, go behind the ear, position the Sqhairbands there, wherever you like. The teeth will hold them in place. You can sort of build any kind of volume you want behind it. So here you have lots around the face. And this would be a great way to wear it if you don't have if you're not wearing a lace front. Just come in a little bit behind that hairline instead of from the front. So again, go out to my website, www.tazswigcloset.com. I have 4 or 5 different designs that you can choose from while supplies last. And don't forget to register for this giveaway of the 2 bands, the white and the cranberry, by visiting the Rafflecopter link below. Everybody have a wonderful day. See you next time on TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio One and the next Spring Fling giveaway.